Now that I have multiplied all parts of both numbers to find the partial products, I can add all of the partial products just as we did with whole numbers. I can add each place value from my area model. So let's look. I have my area model here showing the same thing. So remember, I have 2 and 3/10 times 4 and 2/10. So the first one is 4 times 2, we said is 8. Then we have 4 and 3/10, we said is 1 and 2/10. 2/10 times 2 is 4/10. And 2/10 times 3/10 is 600. So let's add. We have one whole, which is 8, plus another whole, which is 1. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. I have 2/10 plus 4/10, which equals 6/10. And I have 600. So 9 plus 6/10 and 600 equals 9 and 66/100. I know this product is reasonable because it is close to my original estimate of a little more than 8.